Good, Mad Pill. Was good. Was good with y'all. Was good. We back. Y'all know what we do. Gonna jump right into this. We gonna get right into this. We gonna get right into this. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe notifications. Y'all know the deal. R. Kelly, like I told y'all, R. Kelly is going to be out soon. This is new. File from 2 days ago. 2 days ago on July 30th, July, excuse me, the 30th, on Tuesday. Appeals from R. Kelly's lawyers. R. Kelly's lawyers. I said this, I predicted this. Jennifer Bonjean working real hard on this case. Real hard on this case. Let's see. She working real hard on R. Kelly, and I believe that R. Kelly is going to be real hard on this case. Turn that down. R. Kelly is going to be free in the matter of a few years, I believe. Let me make sure. Good opinion. Make sure I'm good in the hood. Oops. Yeah, R. Kelly is going to be free. We're going to read this case. We're going to read the new appeals in a minute. But shit, let me make sure I'm good in Facebook. When Facebook come to YouTube. We're streaming in Facebook. But let's see. Make sure it's right. Yeah, a new appeals. And I predicted this a few weeks ago. That R. Kelly. Remember, it was 4 months ago, I believe, that he lost his appeal. I wasn't fazed by it. You know, everybody else was like, yeah, it's over with. No, you got Jennifer Bonjean. That was not over with. And I'm about to read in a second why it's not over. It ain't over. They're going to keep denying them. But this is a different take. This is the Supreme Court. Now let's get into this. So this is CNN, Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024. Yep. So this is just Tuesday. We give real updates. I don't know if y'all heard, but this is Tuesday. Let me go to the one. Yeah, I'm on the right one. Excuse me, my internet going a little slow. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going a little slow. Oh, this area, I don't know if it's storms. It's bad storms going on, y'all. So bear with me. Internet going a little slow. So I'm gonna play the news version first. The news. All right, there we go. Let me make sure we delete up in here. Let's do it.
R&B singer R. Kelly wants the Supreme Court to throw out his Chicago conviction for possession of child porn and enticing minors to engage in sexual activity. His attorneys argue the Chicago convictions and 20-year prison sentence should be tossed over the statute of limitations. Kelly was tried under the PROTECT Act, a 2003 law which extended the federal statute of limitations for sex crimes involving children. His
Oh, so let me understand this. R. Kelly is the reason why. Okay, so he's taking it to the Supreme Court, just for y'all to understand. To the Supreme Court, and the statutes of limitations from which they, you know, from the years, I guess, it was outdated. He was convicted for something that was outdated. So the statute of limitations is which what Jennifer Bonjean used in her defense with Bill Cosby. Right there. She used the same offense. She used the same defense against Bill Cosby. Right? So the statute of limitation was he's presented into the Supreme Court now. Now, this might take some time, y'all. Let's keep it going.
Attorneys argue the Chicago convictions and 20-year prison sentence should be tossed over the statute of limitations. Kelly was tried under the PROTECT Act, a 2003 law which extended the federal statute of limitations for sex crimes involving children. His lawyer, Jennifer Bonjean, contends because his actions occurred in the 90s, before the law was passed, the statute of limitations should have expired. Kelly has previously appealed the Chicago conviction in lower courts using the same defense. Both the district and appellate court rejected the appeal. The singer is currently serving a separate 30-year sentence for sex trafficking from a New York case.
So they rejected that appeal, right? They rejected the appeal. Chicago, right? Now you going, this was the case where he appealed it 4 months ago. And he got rejected by the state, but this is to the Supreme Court now. It's different. See, y'all, this is how Bill Cosby got off. Watch me.
He's also appealing that in lower courts. Bonjean successfully represented Bill Cosby in his appeal in 2021, which saw his conviction tossed due to a legal technicality. Bonjean is also
right, a legal technicality. That's what's going on. That's how she's gonna get R. Kelly off.
Representing Harvey Weinstein in his appeal in Los Angeles. The Supreme Court only hears a few cases each year, and if the case is accepted, it would take place in October. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Taylor. For more updates to this
Yep, October. So in October, a few months from now, you will probably get the update, if I'm correct. Yep, that's October. The update is in October. I don't know, my excuse me, y'all, my computer is running real slow. Like, I don't know, it's storms going around in the area. Bear with me here. Okay. Sorry for the slow motion, y'all, but my internet is running a little slow. My internet is storms going on. It's thundering, bumbling, and fumbling. But again, that's from a news source. This is from CNN, right? This is from CNN, and this is dated Tuesday, July the 30th. So this is new information on R. Kelly. Um, and I'm gonna read from CNN perspective. It say R. Kelly, who is currently serving a more than 30-year prison sentence.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Let me wait to this end.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Let me wait to this end. Oops.
The Bluetooth device.
Oops. In North Carolina, right, is asking the Supreme Court to hear an appeal on his federal sex crime convictions. The disgraced R&B singer defense attorney Jennifer Bonjean has filed a petition to the U.S. Supreme Court requesting to throw out his Chicago conviction for possession of a child pornography and enticing minors to engage in sexual activity, claiming that the charges should be barred by the state of by the statute of limitation. I'm sorry, I can't read that well. R. Kelly was already serving, of course, 30 years, stemming from 2021 case in New York. At the time, he was convicted of child pornography in Chicago, for which he was sentenced to 20 years in 2023. He is also appealing the New York conviction, though that case is not part of the high court petition. In a petition, Bonjean argues that the musician was wrongfully retroactivity, prosecuted under a federal law to protect a lot. Excuse me, god dang, I can't see. To protect the act, which passed in 2003 and made the statute of limitation indefinite for sex crime with minors. 2003, 2003, however you want to say it. Bonjean argues that the conduct for which R. Kelly was convicted occurred in the 90s, before the law that expanded the statute of limitations passed. Defendants charged were time barred, the petition says, because Congress did not expressly state that the Protect Act should apply retroactively. Right, that's right, retroactively. And even rejected a version of the bill that include the retroactive provision to protect act did not extend the statute of limitations, and the defendants were convicted of a time-barred offense. That's what we said in the beginning. It was a time-barred offense. R. Kelly has already tried to appeal his conviction based on the statute of limitations argument, which was upheld by a federal appeals court in the past April. Judges rejected Bonjean's argument, stating that her decision that it is not unconstitutional to apply a newer statute of limitations to an old conduct when the defendant was subject to prosecution at that time of the change, as Kelly was in 2003. So, ooh, Jennifer Bonjean. See, this is how Jennifer Bonjean is going to win her case because of the statute of limitation and the holes in the law. With that appeal rejected, Bonjean has now escalated her claim directly to the to the Supreme Court. The High Court accepts very few petitions to hear in a case each year, and the Department of Justice still has a chance to respond and oppose the petition. See, the Supreme Court, only twice a year, only a few cases, and they are hearing R. Kelly's case, which is substantial. Over all these cases that come across the Supreme Court, we talking about hundreds of thousands of cases that go through the Supreme. That's why they can only do it twice a year. The Supreme Court ain't got, they only can deal with so many cases, and they only deal with the highest of the highest profile case. Is this relevant enough? See, this is what Jennifer Bonjean is going to have to act. You know, she's going to really have to put on, like really be good when you go in front of to the Supreme Court. And when you go in front of to the Supreme Court, you have how many judges? You have multiple judges that you stand in front of and you present that case for. And these judges are tough because they're going to be asking you multiple questions. I'm talking about multiple, and you got to be on your A game. How could you convince these judges? How could you convince most of the judges that's on a Supreme Court bench? Anybody can quote me who's how many judges that's on the Supreme Court bench? Yo, my bad. My internet. That's my damn internet. I told y'all storms going on. It's storms. It is storming over here. Ugh. Excuse me for that delay. Excuse me for that delay, y'all. What's good, Andre? What's good? Yeah, it was storming over here, and my internet just popped out. Having trouble with my internet as I was. Let me go back because I don't know what I got cut off on. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back to this. All right, it said with an appeal rejected, Bonjean has now escalated her claim directly to the Supreme Court. The High Court accepts very few petitions to hear a case each year, and the Department of Justice still has a chance to respond and oppose the petition. Bonjean represented Bill Cosby in his successful appeal in 2021, which also based on a legal technicality. Bonjean is also currently representing Harvey Weinstein in the Los Angeles case that overturned. Y'all know how some of y'all feel about Harvey Weinstein and how Jennifer Bonjean is. And this is another thing in this case, you know, even though I feel as though Harvey Weinstein is a guilty son of a but the technicality she's trying to present to the Supreme Court. Let's see. So R. Kelly is, let's go if I can see if I see more. Let's see, read some more on this case. R. Kelly. And again, in October is the hearing in which R. Kelly's case can be heard. Yes. Y'all never mind me. I'm going a little slow over here. You know, storms going on. My internet is acting up. It's acting up. Like acting up bad. Excuse me. Excuse the delay. We here fight with the internet. Jeez. Y'all see how slow it's going. It's going slow. I can't even. Cora, what's up? What's good? Like I said, y'all, R. Kelly will be free within a few years. You know, a lot of people was giving up saying don't support R. Kelly no more. And, you know, don't believe in R. Kelly no more because, you know, when he got rejected a few months ago in Chicago, and, you know, that was just a step. He knew he was going to get rejected. But you hear new cases, you know, new appeals to the Supreme Court today come And he's like otherwise. So anybody out there who support R. Kelly, you know, no matter what, even if they uphold it, even if the Supreme Court uphold it, R. Kelly is not going to do 30 years in jail. Just simply not. Jennifer Bonjean is using technicalities, and it's a whole lot of technicalities in the R. Kelly case. It's a lot of technicalities. It's a lot of holes, right? You know, the Supreme Court, you know, the federal overrides the states. So they going to the Supreme Court to override the state. So with the and it's, you know, it's all about the Constitution. It's they go strictly see this what the Supreme Court does. Supreme Court goes strictly all about the Constitution. All about the Constitution. If there's any slither of a hole, and that's the good thing about the Supreme Court. If it's any a slither of a hole, in this case, it is going to be overturned. I guarantee you that. And this is such a high profile case. Yes, it would. If there is a slither of a hole in this case, it is going to be overturned. Hold on. The reason why, so just for y'all to understand. This thing behind. But, right, if there is a slither of a hole going against the Supreme Court, are kept, excuse me, y'all, I'm having a little technical difficulties. Excuse me, y'all, bear with me real fast. Bear with me. All right. Now let's get back into the video. My internet is messing up bad. Like, let's get that put back on the screen. Apologize to y'all for the internet hiccup. It ain't me. I have good service. So don't it ain't me, the area. It's these towers over here. Okay. So the Supreme Court, tell y'all about the Supreme Court, why this is so vital. And this is why it's so vital. Because the Supreme Court does not have any feelings. They are strictly by the Constitution. And she's gonna only argue the Constitution. She ain't even gonna care about him being she ain't even gonna care about him being, she can't argue nothing about him being innocent. This ain't about that, y'all. When it comes to the Supreme Court, we talking about the Constitution right here. So that's what she's gonna argue when in October to the Supreme Court judges. And that's the only thing she can represent. That R. Kelly was not wrongly it's not about R. Kelly not being wrongfully convicted here. It's not about that. I'm sorry about my internet, y'all. This is despicable. Oh, oh my gosh. Damn, my internet is so bad, y'all. I'm sorry to even bring y'all a damn show like this. But Jesus Christ. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Well, fucking bullshit. Just some bullshit. Swear to God. I don't even know if I can carry on like this. What the fuck? What's going on? What the fuck? What's going on? I don't know, man. I can't see. What the fuck? What's going on? I don't know, man. I can't see. What the fuck? What's going on? Okay. This is crazy. How my life get fucked up like this? What the? Stop it! God damn! Would you work right? Jesus fucking Christ! Oh, oh shit! Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. Fuck this bullshit, bro. I gotta power down for a second. Excuse me. Excuse me. Stay with this lie. Don't go nowhere. Oh, all right. Good Lord. Damn, my internet is messing up so bad. I'm sorry for this delay. I can't even see my goddamn self no more. I mean, good Lord. See, this is how bad my internet is messing up. See, I can't even see my damn face. So it don't even matter who I can see. Shit. I mean, maybe I should have it like this anyway. Maybe it's the Lord telling me a sign I should have it like that. But excuse me, I mean, good Lord. How much I pay for goddamn internet and it's gonna happen to me like this? I mean, Jesus Christ. God, we acting up again. Ugh. Excuse me, y'all. Maybe I just can't show no more goddamn picture. I mean, look at me having still having hope for this broadcast. Jesus Christ. Will you hold up? Hold up. One more time. Just give it one more time. Get this right. And then if not, I'm gonna have to shut this thing down. Slack goddamn what to shut down. All right. Good Lord. What the hell? I am so sorry about the bad production tonight. Damn, I'm so sorry about this. My internet's running slow. It's a bad, one of the towers is out, bad thunderstorms, and it's still acting up. So I'm just give y'all a quick update. Maybe tomorrow it'd be better. But, and I have some hope for y'all. Y'all just say that for tomorrow. Say that. I have some bad connections. See, it's happening to me. So yeah, we gonna. Unfortunately, I had to end this due to bad, terrible connections, and yeah, it's just I don't know. It's acting funny. Internet. I don't know if it's production. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna continue this weekend. Tune in. Mad Peel, hit the like button, hit the share button, the subscribe button, hit the notifications so you can get new notifications. Sorry about the production tonight, y'all. We'll be back this weekend. Make sure you get those notifications so you can be notified when I'm going live. Going right live with the real news. I don't even know. Could y'all hear me? Shit, let me try this one more time. Oh yeah. This is done. All right, I'm out. Peace, y'all. Something ain't right with this shit. I'm out, y'all. We'll be back this weekend with it right.